What's the meaning of Chinese whispers? Chinese whispers. Chinese whispers.
Chinese whispers. Chinese whispers. Chinese whispers is a game where a message is whispered from person to person, becoming distorted along the way and resulting in a humorous or inaccurate final message. The game is often used as a metaphor for miscommunication in the real world, where messages can also become distorted or misunderstood as they are passed along through different channels. Ultimately, Chinese whispers demonstrates the importance of clear communication and the potential consequences of not using it effectively.